Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome kit. This is a sewing kit, and it is a perfect beginner for anyone who wants to learn how to sew. I'm going to show you this in action. So I have a love of crafts, and I'm trying to instill it in my kids from a young age. This is the first step up project my oldest has done. She wants to learn how to embroider and cross stitch, but this is the best beginner. It starts off with easy level and it goes up, and it's got picture instructions, which are awesome. So this is a great beginner because your child will learn how to use the needles, which are bigger, which is great for beginners. They also give you the string and like I said, the step-by-step instructions, but they make it easy for you to figure out what you're going to do. Everything's pre-packaged, and we had so much fun learning to sew, and now not only are we going to continue sewing, but we can continue more from here. So this is a great project for young ones and also for adults, because I had a lot of fun helping her too. So I highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.